You think chips can't get any better? Wait until you see what happens when California takes its perfect tomato and makes it the reddest, crispiest snack in America. This is Suncrisp. Let's go inside. Only the top 1% of the harvest, the deepest red tomatoes, ever make it here. Everything else gets rejected on the spot.
It's a swift and efficient journey as our trucks transport the freshly harvested potatoes to the nearby Lay's facility.
Manifest, please.
Here you go.
All right, cleared for Dock 7.
Seal integrity nominal. Proceed to Bay 3.
Stop, steady, perfect.
Once harvested, the potatoes arrive at the facility,
Every
where
tomato
our
is
advanced
hand-checked.
systems ensure
One
only the
bruise and
best
it's
quality
gone.
moves forward.
Blemish clear. Stone out.
7 ultrasonic washes strip away microscopic dirt you can't even see. Clean enough for a hospital.
Flow rate stable. Water temperature nominal.
The journey from farm to shelf begins with a thorough cleaning.
Seeds burn and ruin crunch, so we laser remove every single one in 0.3 seconds. This machine costs $2 million for a reason.
Section clear. Blemish removed.
Precision slicing, exactly 0.9 millimeters. 1 micron thicker and the texture is wrong. 1 micron thinner and it shatters. Most chips deep fry and turn brown. We vacuum fry at 120 degrees Celsius under low pressure. 40% less oil and the red color stays locked forever.
The peels move rapidly along the conveyor system, where advanced optical sorters ensure only the final.
Inside the factory, advanced machinery and dedicated teams work tirelessly to transform the fresh potatoes into the perfect Lay's chip.
The potatoes are fed into this high-speed slicer, ensuring every chip is perfectly thin before moving on to the fryer. Once sliced, the potatoes are immediately rushed to the rinsing tanks to remove excess starch, ensuring that
Regular
perfect,
chips
crispy
lose
texture.
70% of their lycopene, the antioxidant that makes tomatoes a superfood. Suncrisp keeps 94%. That's science you actually
The potatoes are
taste.
thoroughly washed in our state-of-the-art facility to remove any impurities.
Precision is key. These air jets remove excess moisture, while our technicians monitor the gauges closely. As the slices hit the precisely heated oil, they begin their transformation. It's this stage where our
The journey continues as the freshly sliced potatoes enter the high-tech fryer, ensuring the perfect
3
crunch
flavors,
every time.
0 artificial junk. Sea salt and cracked pepper, real California ranch, and a chili lime that hits different.
After frying to a perfect golden crisp,
Pure
chips move
nitrogen
along this
flush.
vibrating conveyor,
No oxygen
allowing any
equals
excess oil
stays
to
oven
drain before the
fresh
seasoning
for a full
process.
year. Try finding that in a regular bag.
Once perfectly fried, the chips move to quality control, where our technicians ensure every chip meets Lay's high standards.
"42 grams per bag, plus or minus 0.3 grams. Anything outside that range gets
In the
rejected
seasoning drum,
instantly.
the chips are toasted
Perfection
and precisely
or nothing."
dusted with our unique blend of flavor, monitored closely by our technicians.
Advanced optical sorters and our dedicated technicians ensure only the perfect chips make it through.
Ensuring every chip meets our high standards, this manual application guarantees the perfect dusting of our signature seasoning.
Final
The journey nears
checkpoint:
its end,
X-ray,
as the perfectly
metal
seasoned chips
detector,
are rapidly
robotic
weighed
vision.
and bagged,
If it's not
maintaining
100%
peak
safe
freshness.
and exactly right, it never leaves.
Film tracking check.
Every night, dozens of refrigerated trucks roll out carrying the reddest crunch America has ever seen.
Once the film is loaded, the high-speed machinery takes over, ensuring every bag is perfectly sealed and ready for the shelf.
The multi-head weigher precisely measures each portion, ensuring every bag has the perfect amount of crispy, seasoned.
Real tomato, real science, real flavor. This is Suncrisp, the chip that finally made vegetables the coolest snack on the shelf.
The multi-head weigher ensures every bag gets the perfect amount of crispy Lay's flavor.
A transcription is a single line summarizing the spoken content of the 8-second video, or TDA.
Utilizing high-speed automation, the freshly made chips are rapidly sealed and separated into individual bags, ensuring peak freshness.
Every bag passes through a high-tech metal detector, and we verify the seal strength to ensure maximum freshness.
Weight deviation trending up. Check weigher 2 sensitivity.
Once filled, the boxes are rapidly moved along the conveyor belt, where our automated sealing machine applies a precise bead of hot glue. Our high-speed systems apply tracking barcodes to every box, maintaining efficiency and quality control from the factory floor to the shelf. Efficiency and precision are key here. Our integrated systems ensure Fresh Lay's products are ready for delivery around the clock. In the warehouse, advanced robotics handle the heavy lifting, moving pallets of Lay's chips with precision and speed.
QA confirmed.
QA confirmed.
Ready for dispatch.
Seal ID logged. Shipment ready.
In this high-tech environment, the iconic flavor is locked in with a precise dusting of seasoning.
Here we see the signature golden crisp, lightly salted and perfectly seasoned, ready to be enjoyed.
The journey from our farms to this bag is a testament to our commitment to freshness and quality.
Final batch QC clear. Ship it.
From the moment our locally sourced potatoes arrive, this facility operates with seamless, high-tech efficiency, 24 hours a day.